Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I'm going to show you how to massage someone with the back of your hand. This is something I do when I massage the lower back of my 85-year-old client in a wheelchair. But you can also do it in a chair if the receiver can sit against the backing of the chair like shown. Hold the receiver's shoulder for stability. Starting from right next to the spine, glide outward using the flat part of the back of the hand. The hand is pretty much flat but relaxed. Have a good stance and footing. Move your hand by moving your torso, not just your hand. Close the armpit and keep your hand close to your body. So this is more like enhanced rubbing, but to increase the pressure, curl your hand a little or make a loose fist and use the knuckles. Stand closer and lean in more with your body weight. Still, the hand should be relaxed and moved with the movement of your torso. Otherwise, your arm will get tired very quickly. I still use the heel of the palm, which I have done in the past to mix it up. I'll include the link above and below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.